Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. In this video, I am bringing you my third day of 12 days of Christmas giveaways. And for this giveaway, I'm going to be sending one of you this beauty blender, and it is a sweet surprise mystery blind bag. So inside you can get one of 4 colors. They have the original pink here, or you can get this color called Joy, which is kind of a yellow color, or Chill, which is a green color, or the mystery color. And this is taped up still. I haven't opened it, so I have no idea what color is on the inside. But it's so interesting because not only are you going to be getting a beauty blender, but you can be getting a really cool limited edition surprise color. Hopefully you get the mystery color. I have no idea, but I got this off of Ulta. So if you were interested in just buying one of these, you can find this there. I thought it was a really cute idea instead of just getting like a regular beauty blender and picking out the color. So again, this is available on Ulta. And if you follow me on Instagram, then you already know that I posted about my giveaway on there earlier today. And for securing your entry to this giveaway, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Comment down below with some cute emojis. Be sure to go to my Instagram page, and then the same thing, comment down below with some cute emojis. And if you want to stay tuned for the rest of this video, I give you some tips and tricks on how I use the beauty blender.
So the foundation I'm going to use today is going to be the Bare Minerals Bare Skin, and some people like to put the foundation directly onto the beauty blender, but I like to squeeze it on the back of my hand. And then some people like to take a brush and brush that all over their face just to get an even coat, and then go in with the beauty blender to blend it all out. What I like to do is just use my fingers to dot it all over my face, and then make sure I'm bringing that all the way down to my neck as well. And then instead of going straight in with the beauty blender, I like to blend this out a little bit with my fingers just so I have an even layer of foundation. Now you want to make sure that the beauty blender is damp when you use it. You do not want to use it dry. Now you can either use the long side or the bottom side to blend out your foundation. And here I go, just patting it all around my face. You never want to swipe it. That way you avoid getting any streaks along your face. Anytime you're working the foundation around your ears or your hairline or down your neck, for me, it's okay to swipe. Some people also like to press and turn a little bit. As long as you are not swiping, you'll be okay and you'll avoid a lot of streaks and lines. So once again, once I get to the hairline, I like to press it up into my scalp just so I don't have a harsh line between my foundation and my natural skin color. And then once I get to my neck, I go ahead and swipe the foundation down so that it's seamless, and then I go ahead and press it all in to make sure that there aren't any lines. Once I get to the sides of my nose, I like to use the pointy end to make sure it gets right in between that crease. You definitely want to make sure you check that area before you go on to any part of your makeup routine. And just for good measure, when you think you're done with blending your foundation out, I just gently tap the beauty blender all around my face just to ensure that everything looks really nice and flawless. And then I do the same process with my concealer. I apply it to all of these areas, and then I use the beauty blender point to make sure it's all blended out evenly. You can also use the beauty blender to set those areas, and you can also use the beauty blender damp just as it is. I like to take a little bit and just press it into my skin. I don't use a lot. I don't like to really bake like other people do, but just a little bit for me goes a long way. To take it another step further, you can also use the beauty blender to blend out your cream contour all around your face. And then if you have some highlighter, you can also use it to blend out some highlighter, which is really good with liquid highlighter or cream highlighter. The beauty blender is very diverse.
So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you watch my other 2 giveaways because they are still going on right now. My first giveaway is going to be ending on this Saturday before midnight, so you can still enter there. I'll leave all the links down below, and then be sure to hit that notification bell so you can stay tuned for all of my other videos coming up, the rest of my 12 days of Christmas. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!